Hey guys, Richard here, e-bike reviews and adventures. Oh my goodness, let's go take a little tour. I'm going to be riding, what am I riding? Oh, let me show you. I'm going to be riding the HJM Trihauler. That's what I got. And look, Stanley's with me. Yeah, so we're going to go take a look at some in the neighborhood, because we had Tropical Storm Debbie buzz past here yesterday, the day before. And finally, the weather has finally cleared up enough that we can get out. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go for a little ride. Hello again. Yeah, so I just made a quick little ride, made a quick little video about the electric XP trike that we're getting rid of, and I took it out for its last ride, but when I was out, I was just a little surprised, and I wanted to get back out here again. Hey, you know, it always helps when you're riding an electric trike or bike that you power it up first before you take off. There we go. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's warm out here, guys. It's humid. The inside of the garage is nice and cool, so the trike is nice and cool, so when you pull it outside in the humidity, everything fogs up really bad. So the mirrors are all fogged up, the display is all fogged up, there's moisture already collecting on the trike. I can feel it on the handlebars. Let me see if I can clear things off a little bit so I can see a little maybe. Oh my goodness, I don't like how these mirrors fit on here. These handlebars are swept back just a little too much. I mean, I like them. They just don't work so well with these mirrors. All right, so anyway, so yeah, Tropical Storm Debbie rolled through here, and thankfully she stayed off the coast of Florida for quite a ways. And oh, look, there's Tom. Tom's going fishing. Let's stop and say hello to Tom for a second. Hey, Tom. Say hello to everyone.
Hello, everybody. I'm going to go save some fish.
You going to go save fish, or you going to go catch some fish? You hearing this? He's out to save fish today. That's the kind of guy he is. He's a good guy.
And clean up.
Well, and he cleans up the neighborhood.
That's the point.
Hey, all right, man. Well, good luck with that. I might stop by there.
Yeah, I'm right by the basketball court.
Yeah, I'll swing by there in a minute. Oh, look. Now we got to say hello to Ron over here in his bare feet. What's up?
My dock got flooded in, so I can't go see him today.
Oh, darn. Yeah, just making a quick little video talking about the weather and the storm.
Yeah.
I'll cut it out, don't worry.
Yeah, like you did the last one.
All right, so anyway, where do we leave off before those two interruptions? We're talking about the weather. That's what this was about. I was just going to show you the weather a little bit. It's finally clearing up, but yeah, so reports of 14 inches, 15 inches. You know, Ron is saying 16 inches is what he dumped out of his pool. So a lot of rain, a lot of road closures around here. And I rode by here just a little while ago and was just amazed because never seen this lake this full before. But let's take a look at this. That lake is close to cresting over the edge over there on that far side. Oh my goodness. It is just crazy. Yeah. Oh my. We didn't have much wind with the storm. I mean, yeah, we had wind gusts. I don't know. I had never heard what the wind gusts were, but you know, my place, I don't think we had more than maybe 40 or 50 mile an hour wind gusts or something. And it would just come and go as those bands kind of swept through. So it wasn't anything too bad. I did knock over one of my plants that I planted here a couple of months ago when we redid the landscaping in the front yard. So I guess the soil got too waterlogged and it couldn't withstand the wind, so it fell over. So I'm gonna have to get out there and dig that up and replant it. That's about all I have to do. So let's go over here and check on Tom and see what Tom's doing. So he's saying that the pond that's over here on the back side of the property floods and the fish get out, and then as the water starts drying up, the fish can't get back into the pond. So we're going to go over there and check that out and see what he's up to. So bear with me a minute. Well, there he is. What happened to Tom? Where is he at? He's not over here saving fish. He's over here monkeying around doing something. Yeah, so that's muddy. I'm not going to try to go around him. So we'll just stop right here for a quick second. Yeah, Tom rides the Zora bike. This is the Zora Master I sold him. Nice little cargo bike. You see, he's always got it rigged up with his fishing stuff, cargo stuff. Tom is legally blind, so he can't drive. And when I introduced him to e-bikes, he said, "Oh wow, this opened up a whole new world." Yeah, so he gets around quite well now, having a good time. Oh, looked like somebody may have lost their some screen on their pool cage during the storm. That's what those guys look like they're doing. Looks like they're redoing that. So I wonder what he was talking about. I'm saying the pond overflows. I don't see where it would overflow unless it's like right here. And that's not, there's nothing in there now. That's the only low spot that I see out here. Oh well, this particular lake doesn't look like it's too bad, honestly. Compared to that one out front and the one in the back of my house. I tell you what, during the storm, we were watching that slowly rise up. I said, oh no. I mean, it'd have to raise another 6 foot probably or something before it got to us, because we're on a pretty good little hill. But still, it was like, oh my goodness. Is this the year? Yeah, I don't see Tom. Who knows where he's at? Who knows what he's doing? I don't see any fish out there that need to be saved, so we're gonna move on down the road. Let's turn this around. Keep it out of the mud, put it in the grass. There we go. All right, Stanley. Here we go, buddy. Let's go. Whew, spin that front tire a little bit. Yeah, so anyway, Amanda and I are back at it, trying to make some videos, so she's over again today. I'm going to try to knock out a couple of videos. And hey there, buddy. Well, hi. Where do you live, buddy? Uh-oh. Oh, no. Somebody's doggy got out. I wonder if he even knows where he's supposed to go. I wonder if I get off and walk up to him, if he'll come to me. This trike probably scares him. Nope, he's gonna keep on going. Well, he found a spot to do his business. I wonder if somebody just let him out to go do his business and now he's gonna go home or something. That's bad news. I don't need doing that kind of nonsense. And walk your dog so you know where he's at. I have a feeling he got out though. Never seen him before and never seen anyone walking him before. Look, we're gonna scare him now. I don't want to scare the little guy. The way he's trotting around, he's acting like he's lost or something. If I get off this trike. Let's see. Walk over here. Nope, there he goes, taking off. No, he wants nothing to do with it. Well, he's going the same direction I'm going, so we'll just cruise on down. He's sniffing like he's trying to pick up a scent, like he is lost. That's probably the case. I don't know if I can snap a picture and put it on the community page. Well, there he goes, crossing the street. Maybe he knows where he's going then. Hopefully he does. It doesn't help that my front brake is squealing a little bit too. That's probably scaring him to death. Poor little guy. Oh, good. Is he going home? Maybe. He's up in that yard. I didn't show you. He's up in that yard now. Nope, I don't think he is, but we're going to leave him alone because he doesn't want to come to us. Hopefully his mom and daddy will find him if he is lost. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. How adventurous that little ride, huh? Yeah, it sounds like I'm going to have to go back and adjust these brakes because it is squealing like crazy. That's going to be it for this video. Give me a like if you liked it. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. See you in another video real soon. As always, ride responsibly and ride safe.